there's two different definitions of making real money. Real money to a lot of people is revenue, and to other people it's cash, like real cash in your pocket. And I say this all the time, like when we're doing our coaching and stuff, I'm always saying cash is king. Like your bottom line is all that matters. When you have that cash that's sitting there in front of you and all your payables are paid and all your receivables are in, and you've got that cash and you're looking at that fat stack that's there in your hand, then you can actually say, my business has made real money. But when you're looking at the fat stack of revenue and you're not remembering all of the payables that you have with vendors and whatever terms you've got set out with your vendors, whatever it is, what your staff is, your insurance, your cell phone bills, licensing, whatever you have, your truck payments, all of it, and you still don't have enough of a float that's going to hold you through getting started, hold you through the winter, but then get started with your season, you can end up completely fucked. Like you can end up there in the spring, like you made 500 grand last year, and guess what? Along comes February and you're having to borrow money from your parents just to get kick-started with your supplies. And I can tell you that that's a real painful thing for our industry.
If you liked this video, go ahead and check out this video, or check out this video. And don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe right here below.